All right. As y'all can see, I did not do too great. I'm happy with this account being at $238, locked it out. Obviously, y'all saw this account. I am down 1.8K on this account. I'm gonna try to salvage it by just trading one or two micros. I'm gonna see how I do. But you know what? I didn't do too well. There was a lot of chop, number one. Number two, I missed this 3 p.m. red folder news. So um, that could explain why there was a lot of chop during the day, but still no excuses as to why I let this go down to $1,800 in drawdown, right? So it is what it is, right? This is gonna be how I'm going to be trading these two accounts. This is going to be in salvage mode. This I'm going to try to trade sparingly. I'm going to manage my risk well on this one. This 150K combine I did not touch today. I'm going to try to get this funded slowly but surely. But yeah, let's look at the charts real quick. So looking at the 1 hour, this 1 hour fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap, price had completely gone through this, right? And yesterday I explained that if price hit this before taking liquidity here, I stated that I was going to be bearish, and price was definitely bearish, right? I just didn't do too well. I thought that this was already balanced here, so I longed here, got chopped out around here, got chopped out around here, got chopped out around here, came down, lost a lot of money here, lost a lot of money here. This was the 3 p.m. news. So, I mean, it just wasn't a great day. But in the comments below, let me know how y'all did. I'm curious to know. As y'all can see, I did not do too well, but I'm learning. Every day is a learning opportunity. I'm gonna try to stay positive, even though I lost money today. But that's the but I just gotta be okay with losing, right? Surprisingly, I'm not as upset about the loss. I'm more upset because I didn't follow my rules. So, with this one, I definitely didn't follow the rules. This one, I followed my rules. So I'm happy about that. So but yeah, let's see how I continue to do. I will be trading tomorrow. Tomorrow there is news also at 8:30, so let's just see what happens. It's a Friday. Friday is normally a lot of chop, but there is news. There's news on the next red folder news is going to be on Thursday, right? So we're going to be paying attention to that. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday could be a lot of chop, right? So let's just uh let's just sit tight, see what happens. Yeah, like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Let me know how y'all did again in the comments below, and subscribe to join me in my journey to 100K. I will catch y'all tomorrow.